A John Reichman tune called It's Been Real, and the second song was a Jim Croce song called Age. And now we're going to play a Hank Williams song for you, although we've kind of bluegrassed it up a little bit from the original version. This one's called You Win Again. B, not B flat. D. You've been seen out running round. I know that I should leave, but then I just can't go. You win again. This heart of mine could never see what everybody knew but me. Just trusting you was my great sin. What can I do? You win again. I'm sorry for your victim now. Soon that man has had your bow. He'll give his heart, but all in vain. So someday say you win again. This heart of mine could never see what everybody knew but me. Just trusting you was my great sin. What can I do? You win again. Shame. You take two